Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to get Threads badge on Instagram. So for us to be able to begin, open Instagram onto your device, and for you to be able to see the Instagram badge, it should be shown here below your profile picture. So the next thing that you could do, since you're currently logged in already onto the right account of your Instagram, so make sure you're currently logged in onto the right one, just go ahead and install the Threads onto your device. So this is the Threads app. Simply click onto that and just go ahead and continue with Instagram, choosing the account wherein you want to go ahead and add in a badge. So for example, this one. So you could choose to public your profile or private that and click on next. So just go ahead and click on join threads so that you should be able to create the threads account onto your device. So since that one is created, it should go ahead and automatically add in a badge onto your Instagram account. So let's head back and let's refresh it. And as you can see, there is a Threads badge already below your profile. So for you to be able to see a Thread badge, just make sure that you have an account. So it will automatically pop in onto your account right after you've created one. So there should be an option for you to go ahead redirectly onto your Threads account inside your Instagram account. Simply click onto that and you'll get redirected onto your Threads account. That is how easy you could go ahead and get the Threads badge on Instagram. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.